Assalamu alaikum. I'm your host, Professor Hakim Riazuddin. Uh, I come with a new lecture of Materia Medica. We have started a lecture series of understanding of Materia Medica for DHMS Pakistani students who are in colleges of homeopathic medicine system. This is our seventh lecture, and we are delivering this lecture in English language, especially for those who complain that we don't understand Urdu in proper. So we started up our first medicine for this syllabus is Aconite Nepulus. Aconite Nepulus, as you know, is the first remedy, and I think it is the most used medicine in homeopathic. I don't think the people who rely on homeopathic or believe in homeopathic or not, but definitely they will make you sure that they have used or they have heard about the Aconite Nepulus. Aconite Nepulus is a fantastic remedy, can be used at any place and at any circumstances if the symptoms are in favor. Most of the time it relieves. Aconite Nepulus is very famous for fever symptoms, but it may also use in acute symptoms, just like exposure to dry cold air, dry north to west winds, or exposure to draft of cold air. In short, we can say that it is very wonderful remedy for influenza or influenza. The countenance is expressive of fear. The life is rendered miserable by fear. Is sure his disease will prove fatal. Predict the day he will die. Fear of death during pregnancy. Restlessness. These are I think you have understand. Aconite should never be given simply to control the fear, never alternated with other drug for that purpose. If the case, if it be a require it if it be a case requiring aconite, no other drug in need, aconite will cure the case unless indicated by the exciting cause is nearly always injurious in first stages of typhoid fever. Aggravation means how the symptoms increase in patient. Evening and night definitely increases the misery of patient. Pains are insupportable in warm room when rising from bed, lying on affected side. But these aggravations are also present in Hypersulf and Nexomica. But definitely the guiding symptom for aconite is fear. Ameliorations is definitely, or the things which reduces the misery of patient are in the open air. Also keep in your mind that alumina, magnesia, car, pulsatilla and sabadilla also have same ameliorations, but definitely they don't have so much fear and dryness in them. Complementary to coffee in fever, sleeplessness, intolerance of pain, to arnica in traumatism, to sulfur in all cases. Rarely indicated in fevers which bring out eruptions. Second medicine is Arnica montana. Arnica montana is considered as the remedy used in after effects of accidents. This remedy derived from leopard's bane, and definitely this shrub is grown up in hilly, mountainous, cold areas where people suffers a lot with injuries. So in short, we can say nervous woman, sanguine, plethoric persons, lively expression and very red face, for the bad effects resulting from mechanical injuries even if received years ago. It means that old injuries also need Arnica montana. For acute symptoms, sore throat, lame, bruised feeling all through the body as it beaten, traumatic affections of muscles, mechanical injuries especially with stupor from confusion, involuntary faces, and urine. After injuries with blunt instruments, this symptom definitely also found in symphytum, but definitely arnica have deep down injuries. Also, it is very effective in old injuries. Cannot walk erect on account of a bruised sort of feeling in pelvic region. It have a lot of symptoms, but now we have to come or we have to discuss the uh, aggravations and ameliorations. Aggravations symptoms aggravate when patient like to rest, but he don't have any comfort even when lying down from wine. Wine is definitely a very big cause for the aggravations in arnica. If patient complains that whenever he drink, especially wine, his symptoms increases, definitely the remedy is more or less is arnica. Ameliorations from contact and motion. Third medicine, the very darling medicine, very best medicine, tremendous medicine is a belladonna. Belladonna is derived from deadly nightshade plant, or this plant belongs to Solanus family. This medicine, if you ignore this medicine, you cannot treat any patient ever in your clinic. Adapt to bilious, lymphatic, plethoric constitutions, person who are lively and entering when well, but violent and often delirious with sick. Uh, Also, this remedy needs for redness. Now we come towards the relationship of this medicine, or the action of this medicine complete with calcarea carb. In some cases brighter carb also is very wonderful medicine. Belladonna is the acute of calcarea carb, which is often required to complete a cure, similar to aconite bryonia, Psychota, varicosa, gelsemium, clonine, hyoscyamus, stramonium. Aggravations from touch, motion, noise, draft of air, looking at bright shining objects after 3 p.m., night after midnight, while drinking, uncovering the head, summer sun, lying down. Amelioration, rest, definitely rest will reduce the symptoms. Standing on, sitting erect, warm room, these things will definitely relieve the patient of belladonna. Bryonia derived from white brownie wild hoop. This family belong to cucurbita family. Bryonia alba required a very lot of dryness. Dryness start from gullet to anus, and definitely this is the guiding symptom. Patient is restless, pain, stitching, tearing worse at night, motion, inspiration, coughing by absolute rest, lying on painful side even. Definitely, my dear friends, we talk about the relationship complementary. The medicines or remedies complement the effect of bryonia, alumina, and rustox. Both are very wonderful painkillers in homeopathic. Similar to belladonna, Hapersulf for hasty speech and hasty drinking, to rein in pleuristic or rheumatic pain of chest. If we talk about the aggregation of the medicine, emotion, exertion, touch, cannot sit up, gets faint or sick, or both. Warmth, warm folds, pressed discharge of any kind. Amelioration, lying especially on painful side. Pressure, rest, cold, eating, cough, cold things. Euphrasia is considered as eyebright of homeopathic. Whenever you are asked about the eyebright in homeopathic, definitely you have to recall euphrasia. Euphrasia come from scrofulariaceae. The guiding symptoms must be bad effects from falls, contusions or mechanical injuries of external parts, especially eyes, catarrh, affection of mucous membrane, especially of the eyes and nose. If we talk about, is a wonderful medicine and have a plenty of medicines, but we have to come on relations similar to pulsatilla infection of the eyes, reverse of all, lacrimation and coryza. Aggravation in the evening, in bed, indoors, warmth, moisture after exposure to south wind. When touched, definitely these symptoms are also present in Heppercell, but definitely the guiding symptom is very simple. Patient have drops or watery content in his eyes. Gelsemium is derived from yellow jasmine. Family belongs to Loganaceae. From children, young people, especially women, offer nervous, hysterical temperament, or people are very weak, or especially feel coldness, vertigo spreading from the occult, great depression from heat of sun or summer, child fear of falling, grasp the creep of sea or seize the nurse. Lack of muscular coordination. Definitely the patient of gelsemium don't have any type of muscular coordination. You may feel his weakness. It have a lot of symptoms, so we have to come up on relations. Compared to bacteria in threatening of typhoid fever, epicock in dump ague after suppression by quinine. Aggravations: damp weather before a thunderstorm, mental emotions or excitement, bad news, tobacco smoking when thinking of his ailments, when spoken to his loss. Epicock is derived from epicock tree. The family it derives Rubeikia. Adopted to cause cases when the gastric symptoms predominate, tongue clean or slightly coated. In all diseases with constant and continuous nausea with profuse saliva, vomiting of white glary mucus in large quantities. Stomach is not in good condition. Cutting pains. Now we come out on relations complementary of cuprum. If the patient is not going on stable and having sufficient amount of symptoms remaining, definitely you have to provide him cuprum to complete the case. It is followed well by arsenica influenza, chills, croup, deliberately, cholera infantum by antimonium tart in foreign bodies is larynx. Similar to pulsatilla, and antimonium cord is gastric trouble. Aggravation: winter and dry weather, warms, moist south winds, slightest motions may increase the misery. Naxomica is also a wonderful remedy in homeopathic system of medication. The plant of this remedy is called poisonous nut. It is a very wonderful medicine, especially Nux is chiefly successful with persons of an ardent character, of an irritable, impatient temperament, disposed to anger, spite, or deception. An anxiety with irritability and inclination to commit suicide but is afraid to die is definitely a guiding symptom. Oversensitivity to external impressions, to noise, order, light, or music. Definitely all people need remedy from plant kingdom, definitely are very sensitive. Now come to the relationship complementary to sulfur is nearly to all diseases. Whenever you wanted to complete the action of this remedy, you have to use sulfur at the to end the case. Inimical to zinc, must not be used before or after. Follows well after arsenic, epicock, phosphorus, sulfur or sepia. It is followed well by bryonia, pulsatilla, sulfur. Nux should be given or retiring, or what is better, several hours before going to bed. It acts best during response of mind and body. Aggravations: morning, working at 4 p.m., mental exertion after eating or overeating, touch, noise, anger, spices, narcotics, dry weather in cold air. Ameliorations: in evening while at rest, lying down, and in damp wet weather. The last remedy is chamomilla. Chamomilla derived from Matricaria chamomilla or German chamomile. Persons, especially children with light brown hair, nervous, excitable, temperament, oversensitive from use or abuse of coffee or narcotics, children newborn and during period of dentition, especially when they have loose motions. Whenever chamomilla is remedy, definitely patient is restless. Aggravations by heat, anger, evening before midnight, open air, in the wind, ameliorations from being carried fasting, warm, wet weather. Compare relations. Definitely belladonna is a complementary remedy for chamomilla, and in case spoiled by the use of opium or morphine in complaints of children, compare belladonna, bor, bryonia, coffea, pulsatilla, sulfur. Mental calmness contraindicates chamomilla. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.